So, hi guys, I'm Zyril Villarba, a BSMT student from UC Mambaling Campus. So, today's video, I want to share my learnings about the pilot ladder. So, let's go! So, before we start, I will discuss to you what is the pilot ladder. So guys, the pilot ladder is a highly specialized form of rope ladder typically used on board cargo vessels for the purposes of embarking and disembarking pilots. So this time, we all know what is the pilot ladder. So let's go to the next topic, which is the safety precautions. So first in our list in under safety precautions is the you should wear the personal protective equipment to minimize exposure to hazards that cause serious workplace injuries and illness. So that's the purpose of wearing the PPE attire. So the next guys is the pilot ladder are regularly inspected for wear and tears of side ropes, missing wedges and damage of the steps. And the next is the steps should never be painted and it should be clean, free from oil and grease. So the next is all steps should be equally spaced between the side ropes and the distance between the two steps should be informed. The steps should be horizontal and any fault steps found should be and immediately replaced. So the next is make sure the rolling shackle is in good condition and used to secure the pilot ladder and have equal strength and durability as that of sides rope are used. The pilot ladder should be stowed in dry and well ventilated space clear of deck and fitted with the cover to prevent the ladder from the sunlight. Last in our list and under the safety precautions is the pilot ladder should be well maintained and properly stowed with ensures safe. The next topic is the rigging of pilot ladder. So the number one is in our list is the pilot ladder should be capable covering the whole length from the point of access to the water level, which is the freeboard. So the height from water level is informed. You should be informed in the bridge. So the number two is the top portion of the pilot ladder should be secured on the strongest point of the vessel. The number 3 is the pilot ladder should be positioned and secured so that it is clear of any discharges from the ship. And the all steps of the pilot ladder should rest firmly against the ship's side. So the next or the number 5 is the two main ropes to be between 28 mm and a 32 mm diameter and made of Manila rope or other material which gives firm grip for the climbing ladder. Our number 6 is the during night, the whole length of the pilot ladder, point access and egress should be well illuminated and a life buoy with self-igniting and leveling line should be kept ready. The purpose of the life buoy is to provide buoyancy and prevent drowning. The purpose of the life buoy is yung example, pag may nahulog na tao or man overboard is ihahagis lang doon yung the life buoy and parang signal din siya kung paggabi man nahulog is para madali lang ma-identify yung kung saan siya nahulog. So the next is if the point access from the sea level is 9 meters is more than 9 meters, you should use the combination ladder. So combination ladder which are the pilot ladder and accommodation ladder. So this is a common arrangement found on vessels with high freeboard. So this is the picture of the combination ladder or the pilot ladder and the accommodation ladder. So the next step is that I learned in the pilot ladder is the actions to be taken by the officer of the watch before reaching the pilot ladder. The first is before using the pilot ladder, collect the necessary information like VHF channel used by the pilot ladder position of pilot ground and other services. So the VHF is the very high frequency. So this information can be obtained in the NPELRS or the nautical publication Admiralty list of radio signals. And also the VTS or the Vessel Traffic Services can also provide such information. The next is nang maintain watch the VHF or the very high frequency channel which is used by the pilot. So the third is to calculate the ETA or the estimated time arrival to the pilot boarding ground and must observe the prevailing weather condition. You should calculate the estimated time of arrival of the pilot when embarking and disembarking, and after you calculate the estimated time of arrival of the pilot you should report it to the captain or to the bridge. The fourth is communicate the pilot on the very high frequency channel and forgive information such as the estimated time of arrival to pilot ground. And the fifth is ask and receive the information such as berthing prospectus, the side of the pilot rudder to be ringed. So lastly, monitor the pilot vessels and have proper communication between the pilot vessel and own ship. So that's all my learnings about the pilot ladder. Thank you.